guys, it's Ray back here, and I discovered a new glitch. I thought I was getting hacked or something, but I wasn't. It was like a seal, and then dressed in my clothes. And this is what happened. Look, this is my my pet, aka friend, also Penguin 0521. I gave her name is Gummy. Say hi. And I'm an otter. I just switched to an otter. Look, it's so glitchy. Serious. I don't want to reload. It's like I want to have my bunnies. Look at that. I a bunny? Am I a bunny? Like, look at it. Like, I don't see the bunny. It's just like my clothes. I guess this is a stop motion. Well, I can only see my clothes. O3O. Well, it's just like so weird. I don't want to do anything though. This glitch is so intense. I don't think anyone has done this glitch. Maybe, I guess. But I guess I'm doing. For me, I'm just the only one who knows this. Like, literally, I was just, doing this. And then I saw like a seal here. Like, very, like, where my links is. There was a seal dressed up in my clothes. All different colors and stuff. XD. I'm actually the Atlantic party I was telling you about. It wasn't a glitch. It was released. But AJ didn't, get a fuss about it. Let me see. I'll go back and see. Because I might have missed something. So, so yeah, I think that's it for this video, guys. I think I'm gonna switch back to my auto. Let me see what happens. Ooh, I can't wait for the big drop. Oh, it's just the same. Oh, and the glitch. Oh, is the glitch doing it go again? Oh, it's still.
Thank you.
Lol. Okay, so I think I have to end this video. What happens if I? Oh my gosh! What? Sleep.
Nah.
Oh my gosh! How is that? It's like a bat. Let me hop. What? My hands are something. Let me hop.
Magbigay na ako pera, sandali. Kunin ko lang yung pera, ha?
Sit. Let me see. Can I sit? No. Can I sleep? I have to play. Oh my gosh! It's like invisible ears. Look at that, guys. Pure flying. Like literally. Oh my gosh. Best glitch. Best glitch. Oh my gosh. Awesome. Like you could make a like I don't know, like a parody or I don't know, movie I guess with this. The Invisible Bunny. First ever Invisible Bunny. Judy Hopps. Just kidding. Let's see the dance. Oh my gosh, the dance is cool though. Like you can't even see the ears. Like what the? No, I was just frozen. Lol. I never want to refresh. I'm not gonna refresh. Actually, I'm not gonna end the video as a little troll. Haha, get wrecked. Wrecked. Just sneeze. Hold on. Sounds like a fart. Anyway, sorry guys. I'm having colds, allergies, and all that kind of stuff. Mm. That might be inappropriate, kind of, but I probably will be the next for my other video. Sorry about the things. It's Toy Story. Oh gosh, my runny nose. Mm. Okay, I'm never gonna refresh. Never gonna refresh. Oh my gosh, this is like the best glitch. Best glitch so far, 2016. I hope Apari sees this. This is the best. I just recorded a video today, and rough. Okay, let's say the rough also. Rough. Rough. What? So rough?
Turn off the light on the back.
Okay. Oh, bathroom. Too bad. Be right back. I'm taking. Oh. Okay. Now, got my bingo hair. It's so cute. Oh my gosh. His name's is Lovesy. So furry. I just gave her back yesterday. She's so cute. Oh my gosh, this smells so good. And Lovesy. Oh, that's cute. It was your birthday yesterday. Yes, you're 1 year old now. Yay! Clap, 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 clap. Yay! Clap, clap, clap. Okay, anyway, I think that's it for this video, guys. I'm gonna refresh. I'm gonna have to. Anyway, I can't sit. Oh, I guess that's canceling the dancer. So I guess, guys, we have to end this video here. I didn't have time to like I literally, like, at the ending of the video I uploaded today, like it was about to end in like 41 seconds. So it was like, oh my gosh, say bye, blah, blah, blah. It was too fast. So please, so guys, please like, comment, and also, final thing, subscribe. Peace out. Bye. Bye. Okay, let's see if she can say rough bye. Something. Oh, okay, bye.